Hello YouTube, this is Kumar from Wealth Infotainment. So this is my first video in my channel. First of all, Happy New Year to all the viewers. Have just started investing in Canadian market from April of 2023. So in my channel, you will see investing in both the Canadian markets and also US markets. So as of now, since my portfolio is small, so I'm still yet investing in Canadian markets only. In future, uh, once my portfolio grows and once I open different accounts, then I will consider investing in US stocks also. So when it comes to my investing, me and my wife, we both are investing together. So in 2023, we have a limit of 6,500 for the TFSA accounts. I have met my limit. So when I reached my limit, I started investing in my wife's account. So in this video, we will see the dividends which I have received in the month of December 2023. In further videos, we will see technical analysis of different stocks and also my portfolio. So now it is 4 p.m. here in Toronto. The market is just closed and we can see TSX composite is at 20,872, and now I will show you the dividends which I have received in the month of December. These are from my account. So these are the different stocks which I have listed. So these are the dividends which I have received. As of now, those are like small amounts only, but they will grow with time. So like I hold more shares in Allied Properties. So we will see my wife's TFSA account. Almost the same stocks, but here also like I hold more shares in Allied Properties. So in the next month, like they are giving special dividend in the month of January. We will see a big number in the month of January here. Now we will see the total dividends which I have received in this year. So I have started investing from April 2023. So from May, it started generating the dividends. For every month, I have been adding the amounts. The portfolio has been grown and also the dividends also grown. So this is the total amount which I have received for this year. And I hope even the market goes good in 2024 also. It's okay even if the market is down also. That gives an opportunity to buy more shares when the prices are down. If you like the content, you can subscribe. So in further videos, you will see about my total portfolio, and also I will talk about the technical analysis of different stocks. And if you like, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.